It is the morning of Friday the 29th of September and it's been raining all night. Yesterday I didn't explain where exactly we were, so I've got the map in front of me. Just a point of reference, there is Roscoff, Morlaix, and we are in the national park, Huelgoat, just there. We probably be heading to Morlaix today, but I think we're gonna have a wander around Huelgoat first. Huelgoat first, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because that looked quite nice. Hopefully the weather is going to stop raining just long enough for us to get out and stretch our legs. It's still raining and we have now arrived at Huelgoat. This is the lake that the village surrounds. It's very, very pretty. But like I said, this is not going to be a day of filming, I don't think. Obviously you can see that I'm using brolly cam here, but let's see how it goes. I just got dripped on. So that's impressive, just look at that. The weir here is like a bowl. It goes down 2 levels through to under the bridge. It's the other side. And our local map is made out of tiles, well, it looks things. Yeah, this is where we were yesterday. The church. So this appears to be the main square. Lovely old church. Okay, so we are walking up towards a place called Roc'h Trevezel. Well, I guess it's a rocky outcrop overlooking the whole area. Well, we're here on top of this rocky outcrop. Continues all the way around really, and you know, it's just over here as well. You get a 360-degree panoramic view. So there's Herman, and in the background is what we believe is the reservoir of Mont Saint Michael. Now, something we noticed, if you're coming in from the south along this road to visit this place, it's marked on a map, but from the south there's no sign, and you'll drive by it. But from the north there is a sign, and the car park is not really much of a car park, is it?
No, it's a lay-by.
Yeah, it's just a lay-by. I mean, where we're standing now was a bit of a trek. We had to climb up that. Easy enough for us young ones. Right, so I'm on another rocky outcrop now. The view's even better from up here. Just watch my footing. I guess it's like a mini Stanage Edge in the Peak District, because there's a drop there. It keeps on going, look. We're now in Morlaix. Any moment now it could rain. It has been raining. Look at this, this is quite impressive. So we've got that bridge there. And we've got a little path going up there. So we're going to climb up the stairs and walk across the bridge. Simply called the Viaduct. 292 metres long and 58 metres high. I think that's higher than that lighthouse I went in the other day. It was built in only 2 years by 2,000 workers, 11,000 tonnes of granite and 74,000 tonnes of sand, earth and gravel. It is looking north towards the port. The port's just up there. Got quite a bit of a view up here. See the town hall, the église on the left here. Oh, you can really see it now. You can't see where we just been walking because we walked about that along the path along the middle there somewhere. But yeah, you got trains at the top going across. Quite impressive structure. So we're now on solid ground. You can see the viaduct behind the lovely church we were just looking at. And down this street we are going. Very oldie-woldy street. We We've had ourselves a very long day. We're a bit knackered now and we're heading back to Herman. We could probably stay here in this large car park, but I think we're going to probably find a campsite to pitch up on. Yeah, just tired. Must be all this fresh air, I suppose. It looks like Herman has a Heimer cousin visitor. We've arrived at our campsite. It's very tiring, but let's take a look at the map to see what we've done today, shall we? We started off at Huelgoat, and then from there we travelled along the D764 and checked out the Roc'h Trevezel. That's where all those craggy rocks were. And then we headed up towards and arrived at Morlaix, where we had a walk around and saw the viaduct. And then from there we headed along the coast here to this little inlay here, which is Pleyben, we do believe. There's a campsite just there, right on the estuary there. Yeah, and that is where we are today. Tomorrow we need to head over to the other side here to Roscoff and pick up our ferry. So that's more or less the end of our holiday here in Brittany. Yeah, tomorrow we head home from Roscoff. So I think that's going to be it, really. I hope you enjoyed following us on our travels around Brittany. So until the next time we take a tour in Herman, bye-bye now. You're not going to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.